Want your Apple Notes to automatically sync between your iPhone, iPad and Mac? In this guide, I will show you how to enable notes syncing using iCloud, so all your notes appear across all your Apple devices automatically. Let's begin. First of all, make sure all your Apple devices are signed into the same Apple account. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app, tap your Apple account name at the top, then tap on iCloud. On the next page, tap on Notes and turn on the toggle for sync this iPhone or sync this iPad. Once enabled, your notes will automatically upload to iCloud. Remember, you have to perform these steps on both your iPhone and your iPad separately. On your Mac, open System Settings, click on your Apple account, then click on iCloud. Find Notes and turn it on. Your Mac will now sync notes through iCloud as well. After enabling iCloud syncing for notes, your notes should start syncing between your Apple devices. If they don't appear on your devices, make sure to check your internet connection, move the notes to the iCloud folder, restart your devices, and make sure they are running the latest version of iOS. That's it. Your notes should now sync automatically across your iPhone, iPad and Mac. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe and visit iOS Hacker for more Apple and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.